The shirt company's vision, backed by competent managerial foresight and quick decision making policies, has resulted in the setting up of three manufacturing units, a popular outsourcing destination for some of the well established international brands. Shirt Company has recorded phenomenal growth in all directions. A wide range of products which is not only restricted to menswear but also includes women's wear, maternity wear, and kids wear. To present day, Shirt Company maintains a high profile quality regimen to honor commitment to excellence. Entire process of manufacturing at Shirt Company is pre-planned and sequenced for time optimization after elaborated period and motion studies. Shirt Company has developed a special understanding of the need to remain ahead of competition in adapting to new international trends. To retain the lead in fashion and styling, a design studio has been created that employs some of the best talent in the field working to craft unique designs and styles to suit the needs of international clients. With this in-string perspective of global trends for fabric, style, and quality, Shirt Company has successfully built a worldwide client base by offering realistic solutions for their needs in the global market. Our mission is to earn the loyalty of our customers by providing them with quality garments which are eco-friendly, competitively priced, and have shorter lead times. We strive to improve our competitiveness by enhancing employee skills, process performances, and technology utilization while devoting to quality standards. Interweaving social obligations and corporate responsibilities, Shirt Company takes pride in abiding by all factory laws and WTO Code of Conduct. Our happy and ever-growing workforce is a reflection of our company policies enhancing human empowerment, meeting ecological concerns, and undertaking social obligations. In-house facilities for specialized machinery such as pleating, smoking, fagoting. Color computerized placement printing machine. Computerized multi-head embroidery machines in all garment manufacturing units. This enables us to meet all demands of placement embroideries, badges, and appliques. Vast capacity for finishing and packing. Most modern laundry facility equipped for variety of washes such as softener, enzyme, stone, and golf ball. Dynamic merchandising teams to coordinate between client and factories. Fabric department dedicated to sourcing and supply of fabrics and development of fabric designs. Efficient trim department for sourcing and developing the right accessories as per the required styles and global standards. Access to various vendors domestically and internationally for trims and accessories. Strengthening of more than 3,000 employees. Strong team for documentation for managing global logistics, meeting the requirements of various clients. A centrally air-conditioned unit to chain Senvior system for assembly line method of operations, ensuring time-saving deadlines. Constant upgrading of machinery to meet market requirements. Multiple garment manufacturing units with state-of-art machinery. Factories having a total capacity 3 lakh garments per month. Shirt Company has and will always be an organization with a heart, for eventually all that one leaves behind is the example of a life well led. We just do the best job